morning, everybody. I am headed to Amsterdam. What's up with this hair? For 3 days, 4 days. I listed for business. I really don't think I'm gonna get it, which is fine because there's like 60 open seats. So as long as I get my own row, that's hence the neck pillow. Oh my gosh, after all that, I finally got through security. Because when we fly international, we have to go through normal security. I'm now gonna walk all the way to my gate. We start the boarding in like 10 minutes. Guys, here we go. I didn't get business, which is totally okay. I'll take any seat at this point. I got the whole road myself, so I'm just stoked. They are doing dinner service right now. I am going to use the restroom before they get to my row, and as soon as I get done eating, I am crashing. I'm already starting to fade. I'm so hungry, and I'm very, very tired. So I now am looking for GFB something to get a tram ticket. So let's see. There it is, GBB. So I guess there's a diversion. So I gotta get on the metro. I bought an hour pass. Take 2 stops, get off here, get on the tram, and get off. So, and I thought this was going to be easy peasy. Awesome, no one's in here yet. So, we're bed 3 and 4. I'm exhausted. It feels so good to lay down. I look ridiculous, but I feel so comfortable. So I'm just waiting in bed, waiting for Crystal to come. And I'm just gonna chill. Grab McDonald's because it's quick and easy. And we got some coffees. We are at Primark. Just strolling. But we know we're going to do some damage. I don't know if it's going to be today.
I want to come back after I'm well rested.
Yes. So you can be clear-headed.
Yes. Make wise choices.
Hey guys, so we're waiting in the lobby of our hostel. They have a free walking tour. So the company is Sandman. It's the same company that I did my free walking tour in London. And yeah, it's just like it just kind of covers everything. Never
I am
mind.
not Amsterdam.
We are not. That's okay.
Come back out.
Yeah. So we're headed back to the hostel, and I realized that I've dropped my 3-day, whatever you call it, 3-day pass, transportation pass. So that's annoying, but that's okay. We're tired. Could be worse. Could have been like my passport, or my card, or my phone. I have a silicone phone case, so I think it's stuck to that. Fell out.
My week-long Paris
Oh, that's irritating.
pass. Yeah. Those were expensive.
How much were they?
I can't remember, like $50, I think, or 40.
Morning, guys. So we are going to the Corey Ten Boom House. We couldn't make reservations online. Chris is taking pictures of me. Go to the 12:30. Very excited about that. I haven't read The Hiding Place yet, but I want to read it after this. So we're just gonna sit here and enjoy our coffee. Sleep is there. Ten Boom House. Very, 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 very excited. It doesn't start for another like 20 something minutes. So We try to make reservations online, but it wouldn't let us. Like, we tried it on our phone and our laptop. They're free. It's just like donations at the end. They do recommend that if you have like, I think like a group of like 10 or more people, then they charge you like 50 euros or something like that for just as a courtesy charge, because they're accommodating that many people. Normally, I think each tour, yeah, it's 20. Where is it? 20 visitors per tour. I think it's supposed to be like an hour long. I'm very, very excited. This tree smells so good. Oh my gosh. It smells so good, doesn't it?
It does. Like Christmas.
We haven't gotten too far. Get some multivitamins. We have everything here.
On the vlog, we're in North Holland, and we came here to see the Corrie ten Boom house.
Yes. So we're leaving Haarlem now. We went to the Corrie ten Boom house. We stayed here for a couple hours, and we are heading back to Amsterdam. We're gonna try to eat at the food Holland tonight. It's much colder than it was the other 2 days that we were here. So Haarlem is a cute little town. Definitely recommend coming here if you come to Amsterdam. Just a quick train ride. Very cute. On a scale of 1 to 10, how much do you recommend Haarlem?
10.
10.
For sure.
It's cute, right?
Yeah. Get out of the city.
Get out of the city.
Come to Haarlem.
Come to Haarlem. Get from Hema. Hema, I don't know.
I got old lady face cream. Exfoliator. Skin booster.
You add that?
You can add it to cream or directly to your skin. More skin booster.
What's the difference?
One has vitamin C, one has hyaluronic acid.
I got little fish confetti for your bath for the nephew. Multivitamins. Wow. I went all out, guys. And then it's all great. Journal. Cute.
This is really cool. It comes in a little pump.
It's so little.
And then like I'm doing an ASMR video. Wait. It's what the box sounds like.
Finishing our night strong. And we're off. Just as quick as we came, just as quickly we're leaving. We're both heading out of the same terminal. We thought she was out of the same terminal, but she's out of Terminal 2. So we parted ways because she starts boarding in an hour and she doesn't know what security is going to look like. So I'm super early. I'm just going to get through security and go grab some coffee, maybe breakfast. Fun fact, I ended up running back into Crystal after security and we ended up grabbing coffee and hanging out a little bit longer. We'll see. It depends on where it's looking for where I'll sit. No, I'll probably just go and grab a coffee. Because the other one was gone. I saw the sign. There we go. So I just got my seat and we start boarding in like 10 minutes. And that will conclude our trip, our quick little trip to Amsterdam. Hope I can sleep. Really hope I can sleep on this flight. But if not, oh well, it's okay.
Selected for a secondary check at the gate. If you hear your name, could you please proceed to the front?